Welcome to my YouTube channel Wonderpedia. The microscopic world, hidden from the naked eye, is a realm of both wonder and horror. As scientists delve into the intricacies of life at a minuscule scale, they uncover eerie and spine-chilling entities that can send shivers down one's spine. In this exploration, we will unveil 10 scary things that can only be witnessed under the powerful lens of a microscope. Number 10. Parasitic nightmare. Microscopic parasites inhabit various environments, often causing diseases and infections. Witnessing these tiny organisms under the microscope can be unsettling. Examples include the hair-like mites Demodex, which live in human hair follicles, and blood-borne parasites like trypanosoma, responsible for diseases such as African sleeping sickness. Number 9. Bacterial warfare. Bacteria, though essential for life, can also be harbingers of doom. Some bacteria, like the notorious Clostridium botulinum, produce toxins that can be lethal even in minuscule amounts. The sight of these tiny, potentially deadly creatures can invoke a sense of dread. Number 8. Fungal horror show. Fungi, often associated with decay and decomposition, reveal their sinister beauty under the microscope. From spores to hyphae, the intricate structures of fungi can be both fascinating and unsettling, especially when considering their role in various infections and diseases. Number 7. Viral terrors. Viruses, the tiniest entities on Earth, are invisible to the naked eye. Observing them under a microscope exposes their alien-like structures. Ebola, influenza, and HIV viruses, among others, present a haunting spectacle that reminds us of the constant battle between humanity and these microscopic foes. Number 6. Creepy crawlies on a small scale. Microscopic arthropods, such as water bears, tardigrades, and microscopic insects, add an element of horror to the unseen world. These tiny creatures, with their bizarre shapes and movements, evoke a sense of otherworldly eeriness that challenges our perceptions of scale. Number 5. Cellular aberrations. Even our own cells can be sources of terror when viewed at a microscopic level. Cancer cells, with their uncontrolled growth and distorted morphology, create an unsettling image that reflects the destructive nature of this disease. Number 4. Toxic algae bloom. Under the microscope, seemingly innocuous bodies of water can transform into toxic landscapes. Harmful algal blooms, with their vibrant colors, mask the danger they pose. Some produce potent toxins that can lead to devastating ecological and health consequences. Number 3. Prion menace. Prions, misfolded proteins that can cause neurodegenerative diseases, present a microscopic menace. Their seemingly innocuous appearance hides the potential for catastrophic damage to the brain. Witnessing the abnormal protein structures under a microscope is a glimpse into the microscopic world of disease. Number 2. Insect parasitoids. Microscopic wasps and other parasitoids lay their eggs inside unsuspecting hosts, leading to gruesome consequences. Observing the life cycle of these parasitic insects under a microscope can be both horrifying and mesmerizing, as they navigate the delicate balance between life and death. Number 1. Microscopic horrors in everyday objects. Even commonplace items can harbor microscopic horrors. Dust mites, mold spores, and other allergens reveal themselves as miniature nightmares when viewed under a microscope. This realization adds an unsettling layer to our daily surroundings. The microscopic world, though largely unseen, is a repository of both beauty and horror. As technology advances and microscopes become more powerful, scientists continue to unveil the secrets of this hidden realm. The 10 terrifying sights discussed here offer a glimpse into the dark side of the microscopic universe, reminding us that even the smallest entities can wield immense power and evoke fear. While these sights may send shivers down our spines, they also serve as a testament to the complexity and intricacy of life on a scale imperceptible to the naked eye. Dive deeper into the wonders of the world with Wonderpedia. Subscribe for a front row seat to curiosity, where knowledge meets excitement.